Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine mated up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, a full digital gauge cluster, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch or a 13.4-inch large touchscreen, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating. We do have your lane keep assist, automatic shifter knob, your navigation or your integrated trailer braking, dual zone glove boxes, your rear view camera system in the rear view mirror, Bose audio throughout, as well as our leather heated ventilated leather seating with the AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the AT4 Sierra, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tire. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging, and 6.2 liter V8 plaque. The AT4 does have the factory 2-inch lift, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming to the front, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Red recovery hooks and AT4 branded grille with the color matched bumper. Camera system up front as well, making our way back down the side. Crew cab truck with rear tinted privacy windows. Remote start equipped. At the back of the Sierra, we have a color matched rear bumper with dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, as well as a trailer tow package and MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as they are heated. In-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and LED lighting with a single pane sunroof. 3-stage heated seat controls and USB ports, rubberized foil liners yet to be installed, and tons of room in the back of the crew cab Sierra AT4. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.